our learning. We started the year with a firefighter fitness test to log our times on 3 different events so we could see how much our fitness improved by the end of the year. During the school year, on the days we weren't on the ice, we participated in a variety of different daily workouts that were modified for all the physical abilities in our class. When we were at the rink for our ice time, the focus of each day was to develop our individual skills. Everyone was encouraged to do their best and to improve on their own abilities. Last week, we did our second firefighter fitness test and everyone in the class saw major improvements. Not only did our fitness level improve, but being physically fit helped us focus on our schoolwork.
When I first started with Mr. Koss and Mr. Gaucher, I knew it would not be an ordinary year. First of all, there are 54 students in one class, which is a crazy amount of kids. This is a lot of students to test and grade, but we have a rubric to help us. For example, if we were being graded on language arts, we would be assessed on the following criteria: not meeting expectations, meeting expectations, fully meeting expectations, exceeding expectations. This helps all of us, all the class, to do their best and get better. Even if you are exceeding expectations, you can go for a higher grade.
We are a class, but we also are a family. We care about each other. If we don't understand something, we ask in a different way. I used to hate, I didn't really like coming to school, but now I love coming to school. We respect each other, and we put house stuff to make it feel like we are in a house, but when we are in the classroom. We cook every Friday as a family. It is free.
Like said, we have